Hello everyone. I hope everyone has done their practice of MCQs, right? Okay, अभी तो MCQs खत्म हो गया है. I know few students have a question how to remember trigonometric ratios of standard angles, and they are facing also difficulties, right? So today I'm here with a special session of tips and tricks to calculate and remember the ratios of standard angles. Okay, are you all ready to solve with me? Let's go. Okay, this is our trigonometric ratios of some specific angles table. Okay, I'm going to tell you the easy way to calculate the specific angles. See, everyone can't remember all the angles. So there are few tricks are there. If you are unable to remember the entire table, so first we will calculate the sine theta. Okay, so we are going to first calculate sine theta, the ratios of specific angle of sine theta. Okay, I will explain you step by step. Step 1, first write 0 to 4 in order. Okay, 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is the step 1. Next, step 2, divide these numbers with 4. Divide 4 in each number. 0 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 4. Okay, now step 3. Step 3, simplify this fraction. We know whenever 0 is in the numerator, the value becomes 0. And 1 by 4, we cannot simplify this. 2 upon 4 is become 1 upon 2. And 3 upon 4 also we cannot simplify. 4 upon 4 will be 1. Okay. Now step 4. Step 4. In the step 4, next step, you take the square root of the numbers. Okay. Square root of the numbers. That means under root 0, under root 1 upon 4, under root 1 upon 2, then under root 3 upon 4 and under root 1. Now step 5. Next step, you just write down all these values. Okay. Step 5. Under root 0 is the value of under root 0 is 0. Under root 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. Just a minute. 1 upon 2. Now under root 1 upon 2 is 1 upon under root 2, right? So we will write 1 upon under root 2. Here root 3 upon 2, because under root 4 is 2 and under root 1 is 1. Okay. These are the final values of sine. See here, which I have made a circle. These are the final values of sine. If we can calculate sine, after that, how we can calculate other ratios, I'm just explaining you. Okay, हमारे पास ऑलरेडी साइन थीटा के वैल्यूज सब हमने कैलकुलेशन कर चुके हैं. अभी हमें कैलकुलेशन करना है कॉस थीटा का. अच्छा, कॉस थीटा का कैसे कैलकुलेशन करना है? यू जस्ट राइट डाउन ऑल दिस वैल्यू इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर. मतलब in reverse order means sine 90, the value of sine 90 will come to the cos 0. Sorry, sine 90 is 1. Sine 90 is 1. Okay. So just reverse the order. Sine 90 will be in the cos 0. So 1 root 3 upon 2. This value comes here. 1 upon under root 2 will be same. Next 1 upon 2 and sin 0 will be cos 90. It will be 0. मिल गया हमें साइन एंड कॉस, बहुत ही इजी है. अभी tan कैसे निकालना है? चलो अभी tan निकालते हैं. अच्छा, आपको याद है आई हैड एक्सप्लेन फॉर्मूला ऑफ कोशेंट रिलेशन. क्या था कोशेंट रिलेशन? चलो रिकॉल करो. tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, right? This is the quotient relationship. और एक था cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, these two are the quotient relations. So by using this relation, we can find out tan theta. Now sin upon cos, that means 0 upon 1 क्या होगा? 0. 1 upon 2 upon root 3 upon 2. So 2 cancel हो जाएगा. It will be 1 upon under root 3. Then 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon 2. 1 upon root 2 simplify करोगे तो 1. Now root 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2. 2 cancel हो जाएगा. Root 3 upon 1, that means the answer will be root 3. And 1 upon 0. 0 cannot be in the denominator, so this will be not defined. Okay, हो गया. tan कब मिल गया हमें? Now cot. What is the value of cot? अच्छा, ये तो हुआ था हमारा quotient relation. और एक value of cot I'm writing here only. Okay, it will be easy to remember. Sin theta upon cos theta and cot को हम कर सकते हैं 1 upon tan theta, right? This is the reciprocal relation. So 1 upon tan theta. So tan theta is 0. If we can write here 1 upon 0. Again, it will be not defined. Okay. So 0 जब भी denominator में आता है, it will be not defined. Next, we can write 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3, it will be 1 and it will 1 upon root 3 and 0. Okay, or else you can see like this, this also. यहाँ का 0 जो tan का 0 है, cot का 90 होता है, and tan का 30, cot का 60 होता है. 1 will be the same. Next, tan का 60 जो है cot का 30, tan का 90 जो है cot का 0. Okay, हो गया, मिल गया हमें cot theta. Now we will go to the sec theta. Okay, here sec theta, we use 1 upon cos theta, which is the reciprocal relation. Okay, again, we need to see what is the value of 0 degree. Cos 0 degree is 1. So 1 upon 1 will be 1. Next 30 के लिए 1 upon root 3 upon 2. Okay, what happened? जो fraction है उसको हमें reverse करना है. Means denominator will go to the numerator, numerator will come to the denominator. That means 2 upon root 3 हो जाएगा. Because we are dividing by 1. 1 upon reciprocal करना है. So this will also reciprocal. This will be under root 2. This will be 2 and last one will non-defined because 1 upon 0 करना है ना हमें. cos 0 दिया है तो sec का क्या बोलिए अभी 1 upon cos theta. So 1 upon 0. Again this will be not defined. Okay, done. Now again cosec, you can reverse the order of sec. Okay, here non-defined, this will be 2, it will be under root 2, it will be 2 under root 3 and this will be 1. Okay, okay, I'm just giving a small hint. So this arrow means reverse of sign. Okay, here also I will write like that. It will be easy to remember you. Okay, cot again reverse means tan. Okay, here cosec, again reverse of sec theta. Okay, this is tan theta, this will be sin theta and cot theta, cosec theta. मिल गया हमें पूरा टेबल. बहुत ही इजी है ना कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए. जस्ट व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, you need to find out the sin theta. If you are unable to remember the values of sin theta, then easy way how to calculate that also I have explained. Okay, I hope सबको समझ में आ गया टेबल हाउ टू कैलकुलेट. स्टिल अगर कोई डाउट है जस्ट यू कैन आस्क मी. ओके, नाउ अभी देखते हैं और एक फॉर्मूला जो कि मैंने ऑलरेडी पहले बता चुकी हूँ. वंस अगेन आई एम रिवाइजिंग दैट. ओके, ये रिलेशन आपको तो बता चुकी हूँ, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज रिलेशन, हाउ टू फाइंड आउट. स्टिल वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. सो फर्स्ट साइन cos and tan. Okay, पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर हर बोले सोना चांदी तोले. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद. So P upon H for sines. S letter is there. S means sine. B upon H for cos. B upon H. P upon B. Sorry, P upon B for tan. Right? P upon B. मिल गए हमें sin, cos, tan. Now cosec, which is the reciprocal of sine. So it will be H upon P. Cos, reciprocal of sec. So H upon B. Cot, reciprocal of tan, B upon P. Okay, now what are, always remember what is P, what is B. Okay, I will write here P. P always side opposite to the angle. Okay, side opposite to the angle, children. If this will be your angle, this will be P. Okay, now B. Side adjacent to the angle. Okay, so if this will be your angle, so this is the adjacent side, that is it will become B. Okay, यहाँ पे अगर ऐसे लिखोगे आप, टीचर तो बताए P upon B है, so this will be theta. Sorry, ये थीटा है, so P तो ऑलवेज ये होता है, हम ये P लिखेंगे, ये B लिखेंगे, तो ये आपका गलत हो जाएगा. ओके, ऐसे ये गलत हो जाएगा. So what always remember what is P. So if this will the theta, so P, formula of P, side opposite to the angle, side opposite to the angle, this will be P then, and it is B. Okay, remember this concept. Okay, I hope सबका clear हो गया है. So if still you have any queries, any doubts regarding the trigonometric ratio lesson, including formulas, you can put your comments in the section, comment section. You can put your queries in the comment section. If you like the video और अगर मेरी समझाने का तरीका आपको पसंद आया है, then please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel PhD Digital Maths, and please press the bell icon also for the new updates. In the next chapter, we are going to start trigonometric identities MCQs. So students, be ready for the trigonometric identities ratios. Meet you in the next session.